Guys, Allie Johnson here. I'm going to show you how to search the schools with the new school boundary layers. So here we are in our residential search form, and you can enter in a school district, and then you're going to need to add a couple of fields to your additional fields. So you do that through add and remove, and all of the new fields that are lookup fields share in common the word lookup. So elementary school, junior high school, and you're just going to want to add them. You can scoot them over. Mine's going to give me an error because I've already added them to my search form, but they will appear at the bottom. Anyway, so say I want to search in Edmond School District. All right, so there's Edmond, and then when I come down to the bottom of, oops, just type in there. Okay, when I come down to the bottom, here's my extra fields, and there's elementary, junior high, and high school. This field is currently populating incorrectly. It's already been brought to the attention of the MLS help desk. They're working to resolve that today. So what did I say? We're going to look at Frontier Elementary School. So there's Frontier. If I change my criteria at the top, it will change for me. So here are my results. Those are all the ones that are in Frontier. You can also look at the map to make sure that looks right. Looks right to me. You can go back to criteria and say your clients are open to maybe Edmond, Deer Creek. So be sure to type these in instead of using the selector box. Otherwise it will override what you type in. So they're open to any of those. And then if you come down here to your fields, your selections will have changed. So you're going to get everything that's in there. Couple things to call attention to: Russell Doherty and Cleghorn, especially like in the Edmond district, they are boundaryless schools. They are parent choice lottery schools, and it seems that a lot of districts have something similar. So if you're on a school and they say I want to be absolutely in this school, just be aware that that's not always the choice, because sometimes they are not open enrollment schools. But that is basically how to search it, and then you can go back and see it on the map, or you can look at your results as well. If you need any help, call the MLS help desk, and you can also email them at mlstechsupport@oakmar.org. Thanks.